300, that's a wickedness. That's a wickedness. That's a wickedness.
Me say, I would have sent back the 60 grand with a note on it. Tell her to push. I'm not sure what to say about internet. That's what's wrong with it now. When I get like a blood clot, like a little following and feasting on somebody. Bitch, big up girl like blood clot, tough crackers. Yeah, when we see to everybody love everybody blood clot platform. I see if you come over here and say we are using. I know what we think. Suck yourself, big pussy nature. Yeah, right there, sir. Can't hear me now, cuss you. You talk about him a big pussy girl? No, yeah. See the big pussy girl right there, Sophie. Me, I am a big pussy blood clot girl. That even make you want answer you. Fuck you feel like.
Bumbo clot. Man, tell us that girl a wicked no bumbo clot to the king. Yo, me tell you that girl, yeah.
Hold on, let me take some pictures. Go on there, let me take some pictures of some people. Go and chat when I chat.
Yeah. What me I say, yo, me I tell you, say, yo, what you push right now is madness. I'm not nobody step over.
Yo, me say,
Yo.
Me love call up differently still, you know. Me love call up differently still, you know.
Call up on best, man. Call up on diamond.
I want to take a picture.
Even if you have 100, you wouldn't so bad on nobody.
Pass the phone now.
60.
Yo, me say, me love call up, you know.
I said this for the third
Me love call up your fuck, me rate her differently.
Excuse me, Jay.
Me do an interview with call up. And from me do an interview with call up and talk to call up, you know, my blood clot minutes with call up and different type of
move, man.
Yeah.
Your foot that way, please.
Big man thing now.
Cameraman, you're too loud, you know, cameraman. Cameraman, you're too loud.
Oh, sorry, ma. Sorry.
Mute on the phone. Yeah, man.
60 out of 300, that's a wickedness. That's a wickedness. That's a wickedness.
Me say, I would have sent back the 60 grand with a note on it. Tell her to push it in her pussy. You're worthless girl. You can't talk to me. From your look back, from your better about the money for you and your man. You're not even say you're picnic. You're not no league with me, my girl. Danger, you're not no league with me. You can't do no league with me. Me, you not come out and talk about me and my blood clot, man. Me and you can't have the conversation. You're not even say you're picnic them. Not even you're picnic them, you say. My money is for me and my man. Go suck yourself. Me, the mother first.
Oh, my money.
Matter of fact, me not surprised you want to get able $60,000 because look like you not even know if you be a mama to you picnic them. Because look like you put money in front of you picnic them. So from you put your... Hey, yes, I saw me here, she call me lizard. But you what, all when me a blood clot lizard, me can't say nobody ever take my pussy by mistake, no.
Outside.
Yo, me
supposed to look like lizard. Me supposed to look like blood clot ground lizard. Ground lizard a blood clot principle though. Ground lizard go in a people house and them go out when them ready for leave and don't disturb the blood clot piece. Yeah, me supposed to look like ground blood clot lizard. Right now, you look how your blood clot look over there. Well, man.
Oh, let's stop talking one more, man.
Give me a call, so come on.
Yeah, mama, this are pity them on the stairs, so.
You never hear me say nothing. You never hear me say nothing about the girl blood clot pity them coming to cuss kids. You hear when I say, on an ignorant motherfucker, before you talk about money, after you and your man, on an ignorant dumb motherfuckers, should I say, the money after me, I'm a pity them. Go suck on yourself. A 5 blood clot pity me off.
On the fuck with the ear, mama's not bad work.
Fucking idiot. That's what me I say. On always I hear the wrong blood clot things. That's why the ignorant bomber clot Jamaican I don't know good for carry blood clot news. Only for government carry news and tell her justice.
Man.
Fucking retarded asshole them.
One ear just say something about the kids them on the wicked
I saw them behave. They would pick up the one fucking word when it makes sense and run with it. So them behave.
Wicked Godsian.
Mother blood clot first.
About the person
when she jump on her live and said the money so she and her man. Me say I better she say after she and her blood clot pitney. I want this mother mentality that move your blood clot. I'm gonna take it back.
This is crazy. It shouldn't be like this. Composition.
Nisha, good morning.
Look how much people there. Look how much people there. What the fuck all of them are gonna do with $60,000?
Momo. I know I said $135 me get out of it. I'm saying go give one girl a country and he send it back so he can't put on plan. $135 Jamaican credit.
Yo, I don't know why I'm to them. I don't know why.
Every boss alive now.
Yo, you know some glad say. You know some still glad say. I love my Jamaican culture. But I'm glad say it's more than 20K a piece. I know only 3 of them. It's not only 3. It's not only Abel, Vicky, and Jay Venom. There are other people there too. Look how much of them. Did you guys go back and look at that video?
People are able video it, edit it. You know how much for your editing job work? You know how much for your editing? You know how much people try to do editing a video? You know what editing take time for do? You know editing hard for do? Most people video it.
That's why when me say, you see when me hear the celebrity them and people with name in an argument, me no jump on text side. You see, if your name called too much in a too much negative argument, you is the blood clot problem. You are the problem. And what you're doing is fuckery.
Editing. Videoing. You know how much work that plus performance?
Okay.
Ask somebody to edit a video for you and see how much I can charge.
People may talk my story right through. Who just come on the live on the late. Look how long me talk my story. Look how long.
Everybody so talk a story, you never get the 1 million and get 80,000 Jamaican. That a Canadian. I'm gonna get $135 Jamaican. Credit. I send it go to one girl and he send me what more.
Crazy. I thought, like I said, when I was doing the promoting the video on my page, I'm telling people to go follow it, I thought it was Able Video.
Yo,
I didn't know the person.
Where Vicky laugh about?
You know, say Vicky can't laugh. No. I never knew. I don't know the person. Call me not Jamaican or whatever, but I never knew the person.
There's a pink call post it, you know.
Post what?
Post what?
After the car cake mixed up with the exclusive.
Your boss been called post you.
I don't even follow Pink Wall. I don't even know what page is Pink Wall.
What's name Pink One? What's name Pink One?
Yeah, bitch.
What do you mean? When I paint on all pink?